power system actually consists of different components. So this power system consists of power generation systems, transmission systems, and distribution systems. So this all together make a power system. If someone asks you what do you mean by power system, so you are very well aware that power system of any country consists of three major components: generation, transmission, and distribution. So, so when we are talking about these different components, and particularly because we are discussing the transmission lines and distribution system, so we will be using and we will be discussing various voltage levels and then the classification of those voltage levels. Which voltage level is called primary transmission, which one is called secondary transmission, which is called primary distribution, which level is called secondary distribution, and so on. This is a model or the overall view of a power system. We have generating stations, we have a transmission lines. You can see that we are generating power at very low voltage levels and then transmitting power either at in Pakistan we are transmitting power at 500 kV, 220 kV, 132 kV, 66 kV, 33 kV. So these are the different voltage levels commonly used in Pakistan for transmitting power, irrespective of whether we call this primary transmission or secondary transmission. So similarly, we have a substation over here. And what is the function of the substation? As I told you that the consumers, either domestic consumer or commercial or industrial customer, requires low voltage. So this substation will reduce that high transmitted voltage or power level into low voltage transmission systems for actual utilization. So this is, dear student, the today's discussion in our number of technical issues involved in operating running DC machines. Commutation is issue. The most important thing is your commutation, the arcing and the wear and tear and brushes and so many things. और अगर आप एक लिमिटेड कैपेसिटी तक आप उस पावर को जनरेट कर सकते हैं, मगर अगर आप चाहें तो इसको बिल्कुल कन्वर्ट करके एक हाई कैपेसिटी ट्रांसमिशन लाइन में कन्वर्ट कर सकें तो आपके पास ट्रांसफार्मर का जो फीचर है वो इस्तेमाल नहीं होता. So because of the non-utilization of transformer in between, so you are not able to boost your voltage at high voltage. So that is a technical restriction for avoiding or generating power through DC generator. So instead, it is technically good and possible that you generate power through AC generators, through thermal power stations, hydropower stations. You boost the voltage and high voltage and then convert into DC. So this is, to my understanding, the best option to generate power through AC and then convert into DC.